In this video, we're practicing forming ions, and we're going to do this by first writing Lewis dot structures to determine whether it's going to lose or gain electrons, how many electrons it will lose or gain, and that will help us to form the ion. First, we have sodium, which is right here. The chemical symbol for sodium is Na, and it's in group 1, so it will have one valence electron. This is the Lewis dot structure for sodium. Since it is a metal, it will lose its one valence electron. And because it's losing only one valence electron, it is a positive one because it has one more proton than it does electrons. Next, let's look at oxygen. Oxygen is here in group 16. And because it's in group 16, it has 6 valence electrons. Remember, we spread them out, then double them up. We see that it is 2 electrons away from having a full octet, and it will love to form at 2 more, which means that it will have a 2 negative charge because it has gained 2 electrons, giving it 2 more electrons than protons. Next, we have calcium, which is in group 2, which means it has 2 valence electrons. By it being a metal, it will lose those 2 electrons, and that's give it 2 more protons than electrons, forming a 2 positive ion. Fluorine is here. Fluorine is in group 17, giving it 7 valence electrons. This is the Lewis dot structure for fluorine. It wants to gain one more in order to have a full octet. So because fluorine gained that one more electron, it has one electron more than protons, giving it an overall -1 charge. Let's look at aluminum, which is here. Aluminum is in group 13, giving it 3 valence electrons. However, aluminum is a metal, so it's going to lose those 3, because remember, metals lose electrons, and it's going to form a 3 positive charge. Sulfur, which is here in group 16, will have 6 valence electrons. And we can see from this Lewis dot structure that it will gain 2, giving it 2 more electrons than protons, causing it to have a 2 negative charge.